whites and then blacks, and then we are done.
Yeah. Ricardo, Factor TV. The new technical structure. The previous one, you will say IMC member, a coach, because was in there. But this new one, who coach, what happens to him?
The technical structure.
The last one, he was part of the technical.
Because as an IMC member and a technical person, who continue to play his role as a technical person to the club.
You even talk today.
Understand?
Last one.
Lawyer, it seems it has come to the media that indiscipline has set you. And you even mentioned that you are going to instill discipline in the playing body. Is this something the management, which is the IMC, is considering to put proper measures to ensure that there is much discipline, especially where the playing body is staying now?
All over the world, indiscipline is found everywhere. Or there's a tendency that people will be disciplined. So it's always proper to put in measures to ensure that even if it comes, it can be handled properly. So it's not something new. Even among ourselves here, I've witnessed series of indisciplinary behaviors. Is that not the case? But there's always a way out. So when I said to instill discipline, I didn't mean that the players are just a discipline. Because there's the tendency for some or one or two people to be disciplined. So it's always proper to put in measures to curb that.
Lawyer, sorry, I'm saying this because NIDA Congo is part of the communication.
It's not part of any communication team. We don't have any formal communication team.
Yes, they don't.
There's no communication team. Nobody is part of any communication. I'm the only communication director. So others have people who go on air to promote matches, but they are not the properly so-called communication team members of Asante Kotoko. No. Kotoko has no communication team.
There's a communication director. For the supporters.
We have given some supporters the privilege to go on air to promote our matches and to educate our supporters when they knew the enhanced safety protocols. And that is all. They are not supposed to respond to any issues on concerning management. It's only strictly on match promotion. So be careful the way you ask questions when we meet our supporters.
Okay, Kepler, there's this story going around that Hamza Mohamed has been appointed as the youth team coach.
I mean, when anything is official, the club will.
We have not come out with any such application, disregard it.
Yes. Right, gentlemen, thank you so much for coming. Once again, we are reminding you we are up against Aduana Stars on Sunday. So please do promote that game for us. It's on Sunday at 3 p.m.
About all Germany now, that's what.
Hey, what you like?
All you like. Men and two kilometers. About all Germany. Yeah, men look at our kind of. All my money is
Stay dry and fresh with Nivea Dry Deo. Keep moving forward with Derma 72-hour active protection against sweat, odor, and skin irritation. Skin is for moving forward. Nivea is for skin.
Sometimes all you need is something sweet to snack out that hunger. Something for your day-to-day Something sweet for the base. Something sweet.
Time will tell.